Good morning, Nigerians. I am in my hometown, Anegbete, in Isako Central Local Government. This is the net these kidnappers put on the highway so that when the vehicle or when any vehicle is coming, the net will just enter the vehicle, roll the tires, and probably the vehicle will not be able to run again. And the kidnappers will just come automatically. They will block the person and they will kidnap the person. So as at last night, there is this Fulani kidnapper, a boy, it's a Fulani by tribe, as I'm seeing him, because they have spoken to him. He said he's Fulani. Him and himself, him and his gang, they tried to kidnap somebody who was coming to Anegbete last night. And the person, knowing fully well that things like that are about to happen, when he entered the net, he started driving with speed. And the speed was able to cut off the net, but one of them jumped on the vehicle, dragging the steering with the guy. And the man drove with speed, and he brought the guy to Anegbete because the guy held the vehicle very tight. When he brought the vehicle to Anegbete, fortunately, the vigilante group were able to block them. They were on duty. They were able to block. I think that's the chairman, it's Mr. Monday Osigala. They were able, the vigilante group, they were on duty. And they blocked them
not around
that last night. And they were able to apprehend the guy. I'm going there right now. People will see the Fulani guy we are talking about. Funny enough, the funniest thing now is this, that when this guy was apprehended last night, he has been boasting that he has been to area command and that they have always released him. That criminals will never finish in Nigeria. And that no matter how they torture him, he is not going to say anything. So now you say no matter what police do, you not go talk anything, Abi. You not go talk. And you go continue to the thief. You now continue to the kidnap people. Nah so. You not going to do like that.
They no go fit come, ma.
The head.
Even though they carry anything, they no go fit come.
They no go fit come well on day.
They no fit shop that money. They no fit carry and they go kill Bature.
How many of you now?
Now the one Jalil with my own second one. Now 3 will be.
Which bush una dey?
Now you know say now the same place with the Jalil.
Who be Jale?
The one why they kill in Nebo, the one why they kill Bature, they carry Bature, go Libya, go na my own Ethiopia. They say the one carry.
But na Nigeria be, you be, I be na Nigeria, you be.
Me na Nigeria, I be.
You be Nigeria. Which state?
Na where state where I dey.
Which state you be? Be Katsina, be Kado, I be where you be?
For both a place. No be say na him na. Yesterday, not be here, they come and grab me. You see clothes why they carry.
Because what I am saying right now, before I finish this video, when this boy was apprehended by the vigilantes that were actively on duty last night, hold on, when they apprehended him, the room they kept him, they decided not to torture him, decided to just like lock him up in a room. Unfortunately, for the chairman of the vigilante, most of his diet food, plantain, I think dry plantain and some other things that were there. This boy messed them up, pee on them, practically defecated on all of them. Most of his clothes, most of the things that were there, they messed them up. And this boy is saying right now that no matter what they do to him, he is never going to confess. That they are deeply inside the bush, inside the forest, and that people cannot get there. You now, if they follow you, you fit carry people enter the forest, you fit carry people enter the bush.
I dey fear now.
You dey fear now to enter there.
Nah, here me I say now. Yeah, may they go kill me.
So if you go there now, they go kill you quick.
Chap, if you are there here, they no go feel. My neighbor they quick come. Kada me second they go come together. If they see me here now, they keep.
So this thing what una do last night, so he good, I be not good.
Me, no, not be myself.
Okay, then bring you corn account they won't use you can't do before. But all of a sudden now you say they can't carry you and start kidnapping.
They give me this thing.
They give you something in shop.
Fish. No, say me I know the shop fish. I can't be promoter. He come on that. Me I don't know say na him. I say he come. I say thank God.
So right now You people can see. This is one of the kidnappers in Anegbete. Because of they had to bring him out because he messed up the room that he was kept. Thank you very much. See, what is your name? Male Sunanka.
Hassan.
Yeah?
Hassan.
Hassan waiting. Your papa name? Babanka.
Aljan.
Yeah?
Aljan.
Hassan Ajan.
Yeah, Hassan Aljan.
You be Katsina, Sokoto, Kano, where you be?
I be this thing. What is it? Niger State.
Niger State.
I wait for live before. Now I day. I say I come. I say I did there before I come enter that place where you see say people come the photo.
Okay,
like
wait.
that.
Where be your state? You say you did Nigeria before, but
See,
where your papa did? Your papa. Where he did? Where your papa did?
Before I come here,
Where your papa did?
my papa he did with the Alaji.
For where? For Nigeria, Kano, abi where?
Now here he did.
For here. So your papa did those states.
He did
For where? Na Uromi, abi na Auchi, abi na where?
Okay.
Eh?
Okay, sir.
Ewoke. What be Ewoke?
Okay.
Okay, your father there okay, and you now come cross enter this side, go they do anything
No,
say
not
like.
you now.
So you say your name now be what be your name again?
Hassan.
Hassan. Papanka. Hassan Aljan. How many years you been?
So as my years, he don't reach more than 50 years or 14.
You be big boy now.
They don't tell his honey know me, not be today. I don't sabi that boy. You know, see, I see they don't come.
So this thing now, where we say you can't do, you say if they carry you now, go meet. If you won't go show people now, say see where you did. The people that will kill you.
Me and the fear go.
You dey fear now.
Me and they carry my woman come. They will want feel me here.
They will won't kill you. Okay, no wahala, no wahala. Thank you. Nigerians, you can see now that what this guy is saying is that. In any attempt, he said his gang members are scattered inside the deep forest. That if he decides to lead people there to go and meet them, that probably they will take him out. Maybe they will gun him down. And he's even saying right now that if they know he is here, they are going to like come after his wife first. I will ask him just now how many kids he has. Maybe that's not necessary anyway. He said they will come after his wife, or maybe these are the kind of oaths they take. So that is why this fear factor thing is why they don't, why they find it difficult to confess. Maybe some of these things, the oath they take, or the way they give them to swallow or whatever, I don't know. Nigerians, this is how it is today. One of them has been caught. Thank you. See this scar on his face. It's as if previously, maybe during the process of trying to kidnap people, there was a counter attack on him, or maybe he was caught before, and they injured him. Is this Anegbete Ugbepe Road? That's where they caught him. That's where they caught him. So it's a dangerous situation. Just in case, let me show you the net again. I can zoom it. Look at the nets. You can see how many. You can see. Look at the net exactly. Oh, that is it. The phone has adjusted itself automatically. Look at the net. Look at it. You can see how big the net is. We thank God that if this guy had decided to slow down last night, they would just kidnap him. And especially for the fact that this guy jumped on his vehicle. Imagine that. And the guy was smart enough to drive on speed, and the boy did not leave the vehicle. He just had to, because you know that the moment one of his hands get loose from the vehicle, he's going to drop dead. They brought him in, and luckily the vigilante people apprehended him. So this is Hassan's story. Hassan is here in Anegbete right now. He has been caught and is being detained to be handed over to the Nigeria police by Anegbete Vigilante Group. Thank you, Nigerians.